Hello friends, once again this is your simple tech support, providing you the trick and the small details on something that you may be able to learn from, a trick and some kind of shortcut or workaround in your computer processing. So for today, I'm going to show you something about data recovery. So suppose you have a particular USB like this one. Unfortunately, a friend of yours or somebody did not know that it contains important files, so he or she did reformat this one. Now, the idea is, what happened to your file? Of course, you cannot see, right? You cannot see the file right here. So, is there a way for you to recover them? Yes, absolutely, there is a way, and that's the one I'm going to share with you. So, to begin with, we'll be utilizing an application that you can download from the internet, and that is called Recover My Files. So again, from the Google search or the Google Chrome, on the search bar, you may just search the file Recover My Files, and the website is this one, recovermyfiles.com. So this is an application that you can download from, and once downloaded, after installing it, you can use it just like this one. Okay, when you open this particular application, you have two options. One is for you to recover a particular file from a typical storage device, or you may want to recover the entire media or storage device. So either you recover the files or recover drive. So if you choose this one, this is quite fast, but this one may be quite slow. But to say the least, when you recover the drive, that means it will read all the files that was stored there, deleted, reformatted, and everything. But to make the long story short, you may opt to have this one, recover files. So you just click next. Now, our main concern is this particular storage media drive F. So what you're going to do is just click next, and you may want to search for deleted files. That's recommended. You click start. Okay, all search completed. Now, if you noticed, this is the starting sector. Okay, and from the root, okay, you may have a particular file comes to. So what you're going to do for this one to be recovered is just click save the file. Okay, save file as, find your directory, and if you opted for the default drive, which is your desktop, okay, which is right here, so this is the file where it will be saved. Okay, save desktop, just click save, then you click save again. So there are two. Okay, so let's close this one and let's find out what happened. So accordingly, you have two files here. The first one is the identifier, and the second one is simply this one. So you open this to find out if it's working. Okay, and there you go. So the file is working, and that's how easy it is for you to recover a deleted file from a typical storage device. Once again, this is your simple tech support, providing you the details, the know-how. You may want to like the video, put comment on it, subscribe, click the notification bell for the next update. Thank you very much, and God bless.